Septic system problems can totally kill a home sale or turn your rural living dreams into a nightmare if you're not careful. Alright, so here's the deal. When you're buying or living in an older house with a DIY septic system, you gotta be smart about it. First off, always make your offer conditional on a septic inspection. You want your own expert checking things out, not the seller's buddy. Make sure the seller is responsible for pumping out the tank before the inspection. That way, you get a clear look at how it's actually working. Chat with the inspector before the pump out because they usually want to see the tank both before and after to catch any funkiness. Use contract language that lets you back out if the septic report isn't looking good. Something like, offer is conditional at the sole and unfettered discretion of the buyer on receipt of septic inspection report. Once you've got a system that passes, keep it happy by only flushing water, body waste, and toilet paper. No wipes, no hygiene stuff, no grease, and definitely no garbage disposal unless you want to be pumping that tank way more often. Don't overload it with water either. If it's an older system, spread out laundry loads instead of all at once. And respect that leach field. No parking, no planting big root stuff, just grass or ground cover you can mow. Oh, and if your tank has an outflow filter, clean it every 6 to 12 months so sludge doesn't clog things up. One of the biggest mistakes people make with septic systems is ignoring inspections or skipping them altogether, which can cause costly repairs down the line. Always get that inspection done by a pro you trust. Another common issue is overloading the system with too much water too fast, especially in older setups that weren't designed for today's laundry habits. Spread loads out and watch your water use. Finally, people often mess up the leach field by driving or planting deep-rooted plants on it, which can seriously damage the system. Keep it clear and covered with grass to avoid problems. BigHomeProjects.com is a lifesaver for homeowners who want to find trusted, local contractors without the stress of endless searching. It also helps contractors connect with real clients who need their skills, making the whole home project process way smoother for everyone involved.